Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing essentials so nothing stalls the process. Plug the speaker power and turn it on. You need a live power LED. Next, identify the PC output type, USB 3, 5mm headphone jack or optical, because that determines the cable and driver path. Once done, download Creative's official driver or control app on your PC. Make sure the version matches your Windows build. This avoids driver conflicts later and gets you ready for the physical connection and device detection. Now make the actual connection and configure the signal path. If you use USB, plug it directly into a rear port. Front hubs can be finicky. USB carries digital audio and often installs automatically. For 5mm, use the green output jack and disable front panel jack detection if needed. For optical, connect Toslink and select the optical device in Windows sound settings. Once connected, open the Creative Control app to choose output mode, sample rate, and any equalizer presets, so the hardware and software speak the same language. Finish by verifying playback and fixing common faults. Play test audio and watch levels in Windows. Make sure neither the app nor the speaker is muted, and keep main volume around 60–80% to prevent distortion. If sound is missing, update speaker firmware via Creative's tool and reinstall the driver. This often resolves detection issues. Also try a different USB port or cable and confirm the PC's default playback device matches the speaker. One key troubleshooting tip: if intermittent audio occurs, swap ports and test with another PC to isolate cable versus hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.